What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you 5 different apps that can make you money while you sleep in 2019 and beyond. All right, so everything I'm going to be showing you here I currently use. I'm going to show you some of my account balances. I'll have links in the description if you want to sign up with any of these apps, and if you have any questions, feel free to message me below. All right, so the first one we're going to be getting into here is going to be stock trading with Robinhood. Now, one of the best ways to make money with stock trading is to buy dividend-paying stocks, where they basically pay you quarterly just for owning, their company. I actually own one right now, which is Sirius XM. They, in my opinion, are a really good one to hold for a while. Currently, I've got like 1,500 in here, and you can see that they pay a 0.79% dividend. Basically, every quarter, depending on how many shares you own of this company, they will pay you just for owning the stock. Now, the stock price can go up and down. It does fluctuate, but over the long term, if you invest in good companies on here, they will go up over the course of a few months, a year, 2 years, 3 years down the road. And it feels really good, getting that free money, not having to do anything. And there are a lot of different ways to make money with investing with stocks. But if you're looking to make money not doing absolutely anything and just get paid, check out dividend paying stocks on Robinhood. All right, so that's the first way. It is a legitimate way. The next app we're gonna be checking out here is gonna be Acorns. Now, I'm a huge fan of Acorns. I've been praising this app for a while because I think it's really cool. There are a couple other apps like it out there. I just think Acorns right now is the best, and I think they have probably like the best platform and amount of users using them. Now, I've only got 36 bucks in here. In the past, I had a little bit more. I think I had like 300 bucks, and I'm thinking about throwing a good chunk back in here, maybe a couple thousand or so. But basically, you put money into Acorns, and it makes 2 to 5% on your money. So, like over the course of a year, if you had, like 1,000 bucks in here, you could expect to make 20 to 50 bucks not doing anything, which is actually a lot better than your checking account at your bank. That's what I've experienced on here when I've used the app in the past. And basically, what Acorns does is it takes your money, puts it into low-risk mutual funds and ETFs. It's completely hands-off. You do not have to do anything on here, and it's cool because like I said, it will make you a little bit of money, and you don't have to do anything. And this is all going to happen every week, every month. You're going to have a little bit more money in Acorns, and it's cool. It feels good to just have a little bit of extra money. They also have this really cool potential button on here, which kind of just shows you if you just throw a little bit of money in here a month, over the course of, X amount of years, you'll have this extra chunk in there. And, it just builds up. It's really cool. So, check out Acorns. It's another legitimate way to make money while you sleep with your phone. The next app I'm going to be showing you is going to be in the affiliate marketing, niche. Basically, affiliate marketing is when you're promoting things on the internet via a website or a YouTube channel, and you'll make money, just from people either like watching a video or a blog post, and then you earn a commission. What's cool about this is after you've had it set up, it can just make money for you every day, every week, every month, 24 hours a day. The way that I recommend, checking it out and getting more into it, if you're, thinking about doing this, check out Affilorama. They're basically like, a website and app that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing. They've got a bunch of free content on here as well as some paid stuff, but I've used them, and I think they're definitely worth checking out if you're thinking about getting into doing something on the internet. And the cool thing is you can still do all that from your phone as well. All right, so the next app we're gonna be checking out here is gonna be Inbox Dollars. I love this app. I've praised it as the best points to cash app out there because honestly I think it is. There are a few different ways you can make money with Inbox Dollars. You can play games, you can take surveys, you can refer it to friends, and honestly, it's not completely passive unless you're just referring people to use it, but at the same time, you can make an extra 50 to 150 a month with Inbox Dollars. It's what I've experienced, and the cool thing about this app, honestly, is that they've got a lot of cool stuff on here. Like, you could play some of the games on here, which is what I've done in the past. I'm always playing this Pet Hop game, so instead of like loading up a game that you've already downloaded from like the app or Play Store, why not just load up Inbox Dollars, play some of the games they have on here. You can earn some points, which you can later on cash out, get a check, like a gift card. There are so many different ways that you can definitely earn using this app, but I just got smushed right there. All right, anyways, Inbox Dollars, check them out. Free to sign up there as well. Definitely use it. All right, and the last app I'm going to be getting into here is going to be cryptocurrency trading on Coinbase. Now, I've been doing the crypto trading for over a couple of years. I got started on Coinbase, so that's what I'm going to be recommending to everybody. And you know, honestly, this is kind of back into like the investing niche. So the more money you put into this, the more you can make. But you know, right now, if you want to get started with Coinbase and check out some of the crypto on here, you know, they're used by over 20 million members. They insure your money up to 250,000. And, you know, I think the best way to really make money doing this is to get started. You know, you're not always going to make money with, you know, trading, but if you practice and get better at it, then you can obviously do well. Crypto is very down lately. I'm not going to lie. Like over the last year, it's down pretty much across the board on a lot of different, you know, coins. But, you know, it could be at its bottom right now. And if this is like another cool way that you can kind of throw some money into investing, make the money passively over the course of a month, 2 months, 3 months, a year down the road, you might have a nice chunk. Now, I'm kind of, I would almost call myself an expert at this point with trading. And, you know, you can see some of my cash outs on here, 1,200, 2,000, 2,300, couple thousand, 3,000. So, I mean, I've been actively trading crypto on my phone for quite a while now. So, I mean, I've been doing it a while. But anyways, I'm just going to recap here. Now, I've seen a lot of stuff out there and a lot of different videos and content about making money while you sleep. And, you know, I think a lot of what other people are recommending, it's crap. I think this stuff that I'm showing you, I've proven that it works because it does work. You know, you've got Robinhood, you can check out dividend paying stocks on there, which will make you money while you sleep. You've got Acorns, which will make you money while you sleep. It'll invest your money for you. You've got Affiliorama if you want to do affiliate marketing. You know, you can learn that. I recommend learning it through there because they've got a lot of free content and some paid content. They're also reputable and I've used them, so I recommend them if you want to start learning how to promote things and make money passively after you've set up those streams. Inbox Dollars. I love Inbox Dollars. It's so easy to use. It's not going to make you rich or anything, but you can make an extra 50 to 150 a month. If you promote it, you can make even more. And then of course, Coinbase, I'm in the crypto investing right there. I think definitely worth checking out as well. And you got to have fun while you're doing this stuff, guys. But if you want to make some money while you sleep in 2019 with your phone, this is how I recommend doing it. I'll have links in the description. Hit me up below if you have any questions or comments. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see y'all later.